Hi guys, in this tutorial I wanna create a landscape like this using the Unreal Engine 5.7.1. Okay, mountain landscape materials and all of these things. Okay, okay. First thing first, open the editor. Go here and set create new project. Set third person as template. And name the project what you want. Hit create. Okay, to create this landscape, you need first of all to go here to the file, create a level, create empty level. After that, go here, set current level, and name the level as you want. Hit save. After that, go here to window to set up the lighting with going to here, environment light mixer, red skylight, directional light, sky atmosphere, volumetric fog, and create height fog. Finally, let's go down right here and enable this volumetric fog. After that, we have to create our landscape. Go here to the landscape mode. We can create new landscape by going to this new and hit create, or you can import from a file the way that I preferred and add your height map by right here. Okay, how to get the height map or generate a height map? The easy way to get this, you have to go here to this website. Great. Scale. Okay, 16-bit height maps. I think it's here, the website. Grayscale. Okay. PNG. I think this one. Okay, after that, go here. This the website. Manticore GitHub EU. You can get the world map right here and add any height map as you want for you. This is latitude and this is longitude and this is the map preview type and this is the pixel of the map. Okay, let's set this one. I think this is good. Okay, let's sort this mountains. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, after that, single file. Yes, I want single file. PNG system bit. It's equivalent with here the Unreal Engine. After that, generate the height map. Okay, fine. If my height map is generated correctly. Now, how to import this height map? First of all, let's see our height map. This one. Now, let's return here and go height map file and import it from here. This is my height map. And let's see. No, there is something else here. We have to go here to the scale. The x-axis make the same 100, 100, and this scale value change it to 50 to get best result. Okay, hit import and let's see. Erase. Okay, it looks good. Change the speed of the camera. Okay. Okay, this is how to create landscape using this one. The Unreal Engine 5.7, the easy way generate height map from the world map and create. Now let's add the material. Next step. To add this material for the landscape, we have to go here to the tab and search for a landscape. Okay, if only want the price for free, you go hit the price, only show free products. Okay, let's choose this MW. Here, automotive, this automotive landscape. You can download it from here and add the project. Add project. Okay, let's download some trees. Okay, after that, let's search for tree. And let's see. Okay, the trees. Mali police trees, zoom police trees. Okay, let's choose this one, spruce. Forest. Okay, this one. To pretty spruce forest, I want to download this pack. We can download a tool project from here. Okay, choose this version. And the downloading is big. Okay. Now, the first file is download. This one. NW and skip auto material. Let's go here. Let's go through the material. Landscape. And choose one of those. This landscape. Example, desert and mountain. Well, we have a lot of mountains. Let's choose one of them. Okay, before you use it, we have to go here to selection mode. Select the landscape and go down. Landscape material. One click right here and one click here to apply to the material. Okay, this is my landscape. It's created successfully. Okay, now let's wait for the trees. Okay, the downloading of this spruce forest is finished. Okay, let's continue. Now, how to add our trees right here? There is two ways to do. The first way is to use this one, the Foliage tool, or second way is to use the PCG. For this tool, I want to use the first way because it's simple and useful. Okay, this pane. Let's go here. PN interactive. Go to meshes. Okay, after that, let's go here. Select static mesh. Enable it to show all those trees. Okay, let's add that one by one. Select the first one and the last one and press shift. Drag it all of them here. Okay, after that, select and enable night for those meshes. Okay, after enabling night, delete all of them. Okay, enable the select for the first one only, and let's see what's happening right here. Shader. And there is a problem with selection. 80 trees. Okay. Select the first one and let's go here to density and make it 5. 5. And let's see. Okay. Now, Control Z to delete all of those trees. Now, select the and set the density. Where is density? Change it to 5. And let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think it's fine. No. Let's go right here and change this. Make all the mountain like that. Okay, think it's fine. Let's choose it. Okay. Okay, now let's add return here. Save all. Return here. We can add trees as many what you want. Can deselect this one and add other type of trees for me. It's good for this story. For you, we can adjust as you want. Okay, let's return here. Selection mode. I want to let's adjust the speed of the camera. Let's add my third person character right here. Okay. Basic start player. I want to add it right here. Okay, this is all for this tutorial. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.